The Tesla app utilizes QR code scanning for securely pairing devices and accessories with your Tesla account. This includes wall connectors, digital keys, and other Tesla products. This video will guide you through the process of scanning QR codes within the Tesla app to streamline setup and enhance your Tesla experience. As of December 2025, this remains a primary way to connect to your Tesla ecosystem. QR codes in the Tesla app simplify connecting various devices and accessories. You can pair wall connectors for home charging, enabling remote monitoring and firmware updates. You can also share digital keys for vehicle access. Simply scan QR codes to grant temporary or permanent access to others. Finally, you can register Tesla-branded accessories to track warranty and other information, keeping everything connected in your Tesla ecosystem. To pair your wall connector with the Tesla app, start by locating the QR code on the unit itself. This code contains the necessary information to link the charger to your Tesla account. Next, open the Tesla app on your smartphone and navigate to the charging settings section. This is where you'll find the option to scan QR codes for pairing devices. Once in the settings, use the app's camera to scan the QR code on your wall connector. This process securely links the charger to your account, enabling features like remote monitoring and over-the-air updates. The app may request location permissions during setup to verify your installation address and ensure proper configuration. After pairing, you'll have access to remote control, real-time energy usage monitoring, and automatic firmware updates for your wall connector. To share a digital key, start by generating a QR code within the Tesla app. Open the app and navigate to the digital key sharing section. The recipient then scans this QR code using their own device to add the digital key. This grants them temporary or permanent access to the vehicle. Tesla ensures security through end-to-end encryption, protecting the key sharing process. The feature also supports proximity-based activation, allowing access when the recipient is near the vehicle. For Tesla accessories like Cybertruck tires or Cyberquad products, scanning the QR code registers the item to your account. This activates features like software updates, warranty tracking, and access to related services. This simplifies managing your Tesla product ecosystem. If you encounter problems scanning a QR code in the Tesla app, start by ensuring the QR code itself is undamaged and clean. Check for tears, scratches, or dirt that could interfere with scanning. Next, verify that your Tesla app is up to date by checking for updates in your device's app store. Also ensure you've granted camera permissions to the app in your device settings. Avoid scanning the QR code over reflective surfaces like glass or shiny materials, as these can cause glare and prevent successful reading. Try restarting the Tesla app by force closing it and reopening, or restart your entire device to clear any temporary glitches. If the problem continues after trying these steps, contact Tesla support for personalized assistance. Alternatively, you can manually enter the QR code information in the app's settings menu. Tesla's QR code system incorporates robust security measures to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. Each QR code contains encrypted information and includes one-time use elements that expire after 24 hours, ensuring secure pairing of devices and products. Looking ahead, Tesla is exploring innovative future trends to enhance the QR scanning experience. AI-assisted scanning will automatically correct blurry or low-light codes, while augmented reality integration will provide guided visual overlays for device setup. Biometric pairing methods are also being developed for even more seamless and secure authentication.